flapping his wings? Oh, right. They need to flap their wings in order to make it dry, right? That's very good. Very good observation. You're really observing like scientists. Very good.
Boys and girls, let's today continue our study of the metamorphosis of the butterfly. Okay.
All right, boys and girls. Now I'm going to tell you how there's something you learned about butterflies. Eyes on your clock. Butterflies flap their wings. Butterflies flap their wings. On the wings is just strong, right? The wings make always just come out. Very good. Right. Those are their wings.
Excellent answers. So let's share them together. Okay.
Marquise?
Butterflies pump their wings.
Butterflies pump their wings. Do you know why?
That's so their wings could dry.
So they could dry. Good.
Milani?
Butterflies have long proboscis.
What is proboscis for?
So they could drink nectar.
That's right, they use long proboscis to drink the nectar.
Tongue to
Just
drink
like a
nectar.
straw. Very good.
Very good. Lots of hands. Good. Bowen. And then Brian. Bowen.
Butterflies drinking nectar from the flower, then the chrysalis not coming out. Then the one is coming out now. And they're melting. They're good, Andrew.
Okay, so you have a lot of information there, saying a lot of things. You started by saying they get nectar, they get from the flower, right? Then there's a chrysalis, and something happens inside of that chrysalis, right? We're going to look at the sentence we looked at yesterday for just a minute. And look at your sentences. Then look at the big sentence. And it happens that this lady, Irene Kelly, who wrote this book, It's a Butterfly's Life, which is great. She was excited too about butterflies, so she wrote a book. And this is her sentence that we looked at yesterday. So let's look at her sentence and yours. Look at the next part. And wait.
Brian, now you get a chance to read it, okay? We're going to read together as a
Read it
class.
together. That's
The most awe-inspiring event in a
Butterfly's life in its metamorphosis as it transforms from egg to caterpillar to chrysalis.
very good. And transforms.
Why do you right there?
That's a very important word.
It's just an accident is okay.
So let's look at your sentences too, okay?
So boys and girls, these are ideas we got from you yesterday.
Right?
Whoa.
Which has to do with a transformation.
Is a long word.
A big change, an important change, right?
All right.
Boys
Boys and girls, let's read sentences together. All right?
Butterflies lay eggs on a little leaf.
That's in
This is in use idea.
The caterpillar hatches from the egg.
Brian's idea, Brian.
Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a pupa. The chrysalis is the cover to protect the pupa.
Chinese idea. All these
Those sentences are about the metamorphosis.
What about the butterfly?
There's also one sentence down here. It's about metamorphosis
Can you
too.
read that one?
The butterfly.
We're going to talk
We're going to
about
talk
these.
about it later.
These sentences are about the next part of the sentence that we looked at. Because this is we really picked our longest sentence, boys and girls. We didn't even realize how long it was when I read it. We were like, wow, this is like amazing that we have such a long sentence. I know. Let's see if we can get it. Let's look at the last part of this. This is really long.
Whoa.
Whoa. You can even count the words for this one. Let's look at that last part.
Emerging as a creature of delicacy and grace.
And we spoke about delicacy and grace. We spoke about something beautiful that has lightness and grace. And some people, you mentioned some things. Let's look at what you said. You said,
Bonnie said,
The butterfly is beautiful like a flower.
so a flower has delicacy and grace. And I thought of something, but let's read the next one that you thought of first. Olivia said, oh wait, Carson.
This is
Carson. Yeah.
the butterfly has
How about the wee one? I said that.
That's good.
This is about a
That's about the transformation.
The butterfly comes
Is-
out of the chrysalis.
Right. And the last one is,
The butterfly is graceful like a dance.
like a dance. So a dance, a rainbow.
Like a color.
Look at our chart. First, you're growing inside of an egg. Can you say growing? Growing. Can you
Are we
sit?
growing?
You're growing inside of an egg.
You say growing.
Growing inside of an egg. And then you're, what are we doing?
Also, do you have a red
There are eggs there, right. Then you're cutting a circle. Why? To get out. Cutting a circle, standing up. And now you're wriggling. Wriggling. You say wriggling? Melting down, and inside the chrysalis, you're inside the chrysalis, you're changing into a soupy liquid, and you're all mushy and soft and all liquidy. And then you're going to
come out.
form, what are you forming? Wings, and antenna, and legs, and you're emerging. Can you emerge? Emerge, come out. Now what are you going to do? You're emerging, pumping the wings,
Pumping.
like you said, Brian, getting the blood circulating.
I said that too. I said that.
Flapping, and what now?
Let me fly.